everyone, this is Diksha and welcome to my channel Tasty Goan Kitchen. Today we are going to make eggless chocolate Swiss roll. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I have taken 1 spoon of baking powder, half a spoon of baking soda and 2 spoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of maida, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of curd, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, half cup of milk. So let's start with the method. In a container, we'll take half a cup of powdered sugar. To that, we'll add half a cup of curd, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and mix this mixture thoroughly so that there are no lumps formed. Now we'll add 1 cup of maida, 2 spoons of cocoa powder, 1 spoon of baking powder, half a spoon of baking soda, filter this mixture. Add this powder to the sugar and curd mixture. Mix this thoroughly so that there are no lumps formed. Add little water. Add milk in it. Grease a non-stick pan with oil or butter. To that, we'll add 3/4 of the batter in it. Spread it in the pan. It should form a thin layer. Now we'll keep this pan on a preheated tawa and cover it with a lid and keep it for 20 minutes. Remove this layer from the pan. Just make sure that the layer doesn't break in middle. Place it on a butter paper. Now cut the side edges. Be careful while doing this, it should not break the layer. I have made one more layer, such layer, so that in order to make the Swiss roll. Now we have to join the two layers by pressing the edges. So just be careful while doing this. Just follow this step. You have to press at the edges so that both this layer get stuck to each other. Now we'll spread the whipped cream or you can add any other buttercream on top of it. The amount of the whipped cream or buttercream also depends on you. Now I'm adding chocolate syrup on top of it. This is optional. Now roll this along with the butter paper. Just be careful while doing this. It should not break the cake. Just make it very slowly. Now the roll is ready. So you can see the Swiss roll is almost ready. Refrigerate this roll for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 15 to 20 minutes, so I have removed it from the refrigerator. Slowly remove the butter paper. You can see that the Swiss roll is ready. Just be careful while removing it. It should not break it. I'm placing it over a stand so that I can put the chocolate syrup on top of it and dress it with the chocolate syrup. You can see the buttercream. Now we'll add some chocolate syrup on top of it. You can see from all the sides it's cooked properly, and the cream is dripping out from the end edges. Adding the chocolate syrup on top is also optional, but it tastes good. Now it's time to cut the Swiss roll. So you can see how smoothly the layers are formed and it's getting cut. This proves that the Swiss roll is very soft. The eggless chocolate Swiss roll is ready. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon in order to get notification of my new recipes. Please share this channel with your friends and comment in the comment section how was the experience making this Swiss roll during this quarantine time. Thank you.